Hi guys, I'm Princess Erica. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Oh my gosh, it's been a long time. Not really. By the time you see this video, I think I would have already done my introducing myself video. So you already know what this video is about. If you want to see how I did this beautiful everyday no foundation makeup look, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to use my edge wax, take some of my spoolie brush and brush through my brows. And I'm taking like a flat side and smoothing it out like this. Our next now is my early girl concealer in the shade medium beige and put it here underneath my brows, shape out my brows. Like that. Just go over the concealer a bit. I'm using this primer from Mali. I don't know, it's like I found it somewhere and I liked it and it works. And pour it in. I'm sure if you look closely you could see my sister's head. She's sleeping, so I'm trying to not be loud so like I won't wake her up. If I want my makeup to last longer, because like I'm an oily skin gal, I take a bit of my setting powder. So I'm going to use it to set my areas, like my oily areas like this, just touch it up. So then I take my concealer. I'm using Adventure Makeup Concealer in the shade 02. Put down here. And here. And here, maybe on my nose. I have to work fast because it dries down really fast. So this is my multi-purpose brush. I'm going to use it for my concealer. I'm going to use it for my eyeshadow. I'm going to use it. I've used it for everything. Oh god, filming in natural light can be so nice and can be so bad, because when I was preparing to film this look, I was playing around with the natural light. Like I was playing around trying to figure out like where I would stay, and it was still really bright. Now it's like looking like it's getting dark, so I have to be fast. I forgot to put on my, I actually don't know what this part of my face is called. Is it my chin? No, my chin is here. Okay, I'm not going to burn it out. So when I'm done blending with my setting with my concealer brush, I'm going to use a damp beauty blender and just go over it. I'm using Adventure concealer in the shade 09. I like my contour being a bit dark, but because it's a natural look, I'm just going to do a little. So I put a bit from like the tip of my ears down like this. I'm just taking another damp beauty blender, just blend that in like that. But my forehead is actually not going to show because of the wig. You know when some people do the natural no makeup look, they don't put makeup on your forehead. It's like, I hate how that looks. Like, why won't you have makeup on your forehead? Every other place of your face is going to have makeup except your forehead. Do you know how funny that looks? I take a bit on this and go right here above my contour a bit. Can you see? It looks very lifted. It's going to lighter concealer in the shade pure beige. It's almost out. Put a bit here and here, and just this done, I'm going to take my setting powder, just a bit out on my hands, and go over my eye. And go over my eye. I actually love low light a lot. It's eating. Then I'll go in with browns. Don't forget to dust a bit my outer corner like that, and then go in a bit like this. By the way, is anyone watching Love Island? Like UK, US? Honestly, I don't like this UK season. I don't like it at all. I expected more from them, and it's not just delivering. It's actually not delivering at all. To be fair, I think the US season is much interesting than this. Though I've not started the US, but like from what I see online and everything, everyone is like raving about the UK, about the US. And though I've not watched it, I actually like Cordell and is it Serena? Yeah, she has this boho braids on, and it's so pretty, and she's been carrying it forever. Like, she needs to come out and tell us her upkeep routine at this point, because they look so good. Like, how many weeks in and her braids are still eating, like, girl. And my favorites on the UK are, of course, Mimi. I'm a Mimi girl. I love Mimi. I don't like Ayo at all. I used to like Ayo before he finally started showing his real self. I'm happy that she finally has someone. What's his name? Josh. I really like Josh a lot. I feel like he's an awesome guy. Even though I didn't like his first coupling up speech, but I think he kind of redeemed himself a bit. Okay, except for the time where he kissed Grace at like a game. Apart from that, he's been really good. He's an understanding guy. He understands Mimi a lot. He lets her be herself. Even though everyone will say, oh my god, Mimi is so boring, Mimi is so this, she's the driest girl. But what do you guys want? You guys want someone loud? Do you guys want someone crazy? Because I've had all that and you're still not satisfied, and you'll always find ways to complain about Mimi. One person I don't really like on that show that needs to go home like yesterday is Joey Essex, or whatever his name is. That man is just causing chaos on that show. I'm going to try and just blend my two colors together, girl. I honestly do not know what Joey did on that show. I feel like Jersey is just too good for him, and I don't know outside if they would last. I also love Grace too. She has an amazing body. She's gorgeous. She's stunning. She's a stunning girl. We need to do a little. Okay, I like this. The real problem will be trying to replicate this on this eye. So let me see. Okay, I think I got it. This one is flat, but I'll correct it. So, okay. On TikTok, someone asked me to do an eyeliner tutorial. Babes, it's literally the grace of God. Some eyeliner gets like done. I just go with the vibes. Please, see. Now the real actual reality show is starting because Too Hot to Handle is out. Came out like yesterday, but 2 days ago. I'm actually quite excited to start watching it. That's the real reality show. If you're not watching Too Hot to Handle, go and watch Too Hot to Handle. Okay, then I'm going to use this mascara from Blossom Makeup. I really like it because it has like a normal one, and the other end it has like a tiny one for like your under eye. And fill in my brows. House of Tara blush in the shade Daria, and a bit on my nose too. It's giving Winnie the Pooh. I'm using this Ushas lip gloss. Oh, I love the smell of this product. So this is the final look. I am done. I absolutely look beautiful, and this look is giving everything it needs to give and more. I feel like the liner just completed. I'm looking very Randolphy. I think I should add a bit more blush. What do you think? I think this blush is okay, right? Should we do a bit more? Should we do a bit more? Let's add a little. I'm going to keep on doing like more looks. So if you know you want to see more like makeup tutorials and like things like that, makeup and just general chit chats, subscribe to my YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. And I'm seated on the floor, like I've been sitting on the floor for the past hour plus doing this look, and it came out beautifully. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.